a.m. Tuesday to 3 a.m. Wednesday.
Oh my God! Blizzard warning! Here we go! Blizzard warning! My very first one.
For the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Douglas, Johnson, Lima, Odo, Pawnee, Richardson, Sarpy, and Washington. In the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Harrison, Mills, Montgomery, Page, Potawatomi, and Shelby. Blizzard warning in effect from 8 p.m. Tuesday to 3 a.m. Wednesday. What blizzard conditions expected? Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches expected, as much as 5 inches possible. Winds gusting as high as 70 miles per hour. Flash freeze expected. Where portions of southwest Iowa and east central and southeast Nebraska. Persons should delay all travel if possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, roads will become slick and hazardous. Periods of whiteout conditions likely making travel
I'm filming now.
during the peak of the storm. Very strong winds could cause extensive tree damage and power outages. Persons are urged to stay indoors until conditions improve. If you must go inside, your car is winterized and several layers of clothes will keep you warmer than a single heavy coat. Cover exposed skin to reduce your risk of frostbite or hypothermia. Gloves, a scarf, and a hat will keep you from losing your body heat. Persons should delay all travel if possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution and be prepared for sudden changes in visibility. Leave plenty of room between you and the motorist ahead of you, and allow extra time to reach your destination. Avoid sudden braking or acceleration, and be especially cautious on hills or when making turns.
When making your turns.
Make sure your car is winterized and in good working order.
And that's loud. Oh my God. Blizzard warning. My very first one. My very first blizzard warning.
You boys good? Super great, Coach. Stop and sales on 33rd Street? You could practically skate there.
Does he pick on third?
Sure does.
That's super important.
And
What time?
Oh, I'm filming the blizzard warning.
Okay.
We're gonna film on the mom and dad's TV.
Oh, the one in the bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay. I think they already had it.
It's from the National Weather Service.
Now Clean Deep with new Arm & Hammer Deep Clean Laundry Detergent. Our most powerful formula yet. Penetrates.
Was that a surprise?
Yes.
Yeah, it was pretty loud to me. I could hear it through the headphones.
Yeah.
Okay, blizzard warning.
Really feel like you need any help?
Not about.
Oh, I think this is from the antenna.
This is the antenna one.
That's the antenna.
You want to watch the antenna one?
That's the antenna. We need to find the cable. If we're going to wait for the EAS.
That's a cable right there.
Cable right there. We have to wait for the cable when the EAS pops up.
If they haven't already done it, though.
Ron was an active guy.
I'm an outdoor.
Until plantar fasciitis came hit.
My wife said, I'm going to take you to the good feet store.
Now,
I can do my that's for good feet thanks.
come in for your...
It's a very, very rare.
It's gonna get nasty over here. We're gonna fight.
What channel number you want?
Almost full.
Guns.
And the chair.
This one is
Did you break the chair, Michael?
channel 6.
Channel 6.
What channel number do you want, though? You go on 6?
These are obsessed
Yeah.
with his victims. And absolutely fascinated with love.
The Hunting Party, new tonight on NBC and Peacock.
Stream Local 4 24/7 on your Android TV.
With Life Alert, one touch of a button can get you help fast.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Don't worry, help is on the way. With any of Life Alert's 3 emergency systems, help can be summoned immediately, and batteries never need charging.
I was having a stroke, and I was scared.
If it weren't for Life Alert, I wouldn't be sitting here today. Life Alert is a lifesaver. My husband is alive because of Life Alert.
Life Alert is the lifesaver to keep me out of...
Here we go.
Yeah, you're alright, huh? Okay. Make sure you get school better. School better in there.
It's a very, very rare. Since in 2019.
Blizzard information for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Douglas,
It's been
Johnson,
issued at
Meemaw,
2:45 p.m.
Oil, Pawnee, Richardson,
until
Sarpy, and Washington,
9:15 a.m.
And the following counties in Iowa: Fremont,
March 4th.
Harrison, Mills, Montgomery,
Yeah.
Page, Potawatomi, and Shelby. Blizzard warning in effect from 8 p.m. Tuesday to 3 a.m. Wednesday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches expected, as much as 5 inches possible. Winds gusting as high as 70 miles per hour. Flash freeze expected. Where? Portions of southwest Iowa and east central and southeast
This
Nebraska.
was 58,
When?
59,
From
and
8
this is
p.m.
EAS
Tuesday
number
to 3 a.m.
16.
Wednesday. Impacts. Roads will become slick and hazardous. Periods of whiteout conditions likely, making travel impossible during the peak of the storm. Very strong winds could cause extensive tree damage and power outages. Persons are urged to stay indoors until conditions improve. If you must go outside, dress in layers. Several layers of clothes will keep you warmer than a single heavy coat. Cover
That's the
exposed
microphone
skin to reduce
from
your
the
risk of
Pulse
frostbite
voice.
or hypothermia. Gloves, a scarf, and a hat will keep you from losing your body heat. Persons should delay all travel if possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution and be prepared for sudden changes in visibility. Leave plenty of room between you and the motorist ahead of you, and allow extra time to reach your destination. Avoid sudden braking or acceleration, and be especially cautious on hills or when making turns. Make sure your car is winterized and in good working order.
Make sure your car's into your...
Good working order.
And that's loud.
It's a tree, it's a cookie, it's a person, it's a man, it's a pan.
Next word, 35 seconds.
This is my very first, very rare.
Sun rays, humidity, water, moon, planet, Pluto, Saturn.
Saturn is correct. Good for $2,000. This is for the trip. 20 seconds.
Sarpy in Washington, and the following counties:
Another one.
Fremont, Harrison.
Don't listen to him.
Another blizzard warning.
What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches expected.
Are you feeling sick?
Winds gusting as high as 70 miles per hour. Flash freeze expected. Where? Portions of southwest Iowa and east central and southeast Nebraska. When? From 8 p.m. Tuesday to 3 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts. Roads will become slick and hazardous. Periods of whiteout conditions likely, making travel impossible during the peak of the storm. Very strong winds could cause extensive...
I went home right after Nathan's consultation.
Conditions improved. If you must go outside, dress in layers. Several layers of clothes will keep you warmer than a single heavy coat. Cover exposed
Yeah.
skin to reduce your risk of frostbite or hypothermia.
My body is my business and my own.
Will keep you from losing your body heat. Persons should delay all travel if possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution and be prepared for sudden changes in visibility. Leave plenty of room between you and the motorist ahead of you, and allow extra time to reach your destination. Avoid sudden braking or acceleration, and be especially cautious on hills or when making turns. Make sure your car
A little more rain there.
is in working order.
Good, working in order.
Most days. So knock out your meal plan, make
That's
your grocery list.
61. That was
An easy way to do it.
EAS number 58 through to 61.
Put your grocery list in there. It's always handy when you think of something. You just plop it in.
Still same again.
Store items too, like instead of the brand name, I could just buy the store name.
Yeah, white label as they call it. Pay attention to what's on sale. So when green beans are reduced around holiday time for 39 cents a can, stock up at that time. Manager specials in the meat case. When you see those, grab those and stick them in the freezer. Really want to sale rotisserie chickens.
Save your battery. Turn it off. Turn it off, Jeffrey.
Wait, say now?
That's it.